Hello everybody, this is a short video. Basically it's anybody who hasn't seen my bike in respect of, I got a snail. What are you doing there, darling? You can't live on there, can you? Where can I put you? Put you in these flowers. She'll love me for that, won't she? Put a snail in there. Right, you didn't see that, did you? Right, yeah, well, just my bike, what extras I got for it and where they're going for, and the bike in general. Lovely shape to the bike, as you can see if you get down lower. I'll try and bring this up, this camera. Additional things I've put on. I'll start on this side. Yeah, the front wheel spindle goes straight through, about £15 to buy that, so an extra protection against dropping. So I've got some aluminium bar and, sorry, the crash protection bungs there, and some smaller ones at the bottom. Now they tend to have them on when they come, but they're only small, so I decided to take them off and put some larger ones on. Obviously for the back end chock to lift the wheel off the ground, I've got that on the back there. I got myself a rack to put my shad top box on, because shad don't do that rack anymore for the X310 on this side. That's my phone mount and my camera mount. Got additional screen, make it slightly higher for when I'm travelling. As we walk around the bike, I've got this arm here. So obviously when you do your chain it moves at the same time. That's about £30 to buy one of those, just to stop all the crap coming up when it's horrible weather. And yeah, that's the other protection this side. Like I say, they only come out to about there, they're now one, so they don't actually cover this part here, so if your bike fell over, well these are out to about there now. I like with the front ones and the bottom ones. Didn't want bigger ones at the bottom, because you've got bigger ones at the bottom, your bike can skid and turn as it falls over, so these are just smaller ones at the bottom on there. This to raise the foot peg up a little bit, where you put your foot on, a bit more grip on it there, and says you have to adjust that part. If you say you want a bit more bite on your back brake, basically just make it slightly higher. So they're only about 10 quid to buy one of those, makes it higher. And the back brake's brilliant, because I've got EBC brake pads in the back and the front, and I've also got Bridgestone Battle-Axe BT023 tyres on as well. They're doing about 300 miles now, scuffing a bit to the edge look, so I'm going over a little bit further than a bit more confident in the bike, etc. Like I said, these are the front ones, protection there, but she's a lovely bike, lovely from all angles, she is. And yeah, you start her up nice and easy. You have a key in your pocket. Let me just show you the key, just so you know. This is for all the models. You have a key, I've just put it in a case. The key's a black key, it's a transponder basically. You have that in your pocket because you don't need it anyway. You just press it once and the bike comes alive. It says ready to go there, and single light comes on in the middle at the front, and your back light comes on as well, the back light. And then you just bring that down to starter, put the clutch in and starter. And then the daylight running lights, you get 3, you get 2 V-shaped, and the centre one is a daylight running light on the front, which I think are really, really bright for what you need them for. Very good addition there. And the back one's on all time as well. And when the brake light comes on, all the bottom comes on. So it's just really, really bright, so there's no people know you're braking. And then your nighttime running lights, you just switch that on. All your handlebars here are all lit up now on there. And now the front side lights go out. The main big one at the top stays on, but then you've got the bright one at the bottom comes on. You just clean that, doesn't it? Very bright lights, really nice. And the display is nice and easy to Nice to see. Hope you can see it. switch her off. You just kill run switch, and then just hold that in for longer, that red button, which switches her off, puts the steering lock on, and that's it. Lovely bikes. Nice. Like I said, the engine and everything is all really, really nice and easy to work on. Know everything is. Put a load of videos up there for people to know, etc. Addition of a exercise stand. Makes it wider because I like to get on and off my bike without having to keep my leg over, my foot on there, and just stand up on the bike. So that makes it easy to do. Single at the back, which is adjustable, shock absorber, and upside down. The ride is brilliant. Upside down forks at the front. The ride is absolutely excellent. Can't fault the ride over the bumps or anything. Yes, really enjoying owning the bike. Lovely KTM-esque type swing arm, beautiful design. Really thought about the bike on fixtures and fittings and how they assemble the bikes, one part after another part after another part. So when you're taking them off, you have to take something off first before you take the next bit off, before you take the next bit off, which is makes it just look nice and smooth. All nuts and bolts and everything all hidden. Really nice. So they are a nice bike to own. Lovely bike to own. That's it. Just thought I'd let you have a quick view of my Zontes 310X. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you want it. There's lots of videos to come. Cheers now. Bye bye.